What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to install this installation on this wall. This is the installation. It's a fire resistant and it's gonna be 15% less noise. I'm gonna install in this wall, and also I'm gonna install the drywall, and I cut the drywall for that outlet, and I'm gonna patch it. So this is a very good video. Stay until the end. Let's start it. So installation is very easy. Just has to you take it apart, you put the installation. It's gonna fit exactly between your stud. You have to wear gloves and safety glasses, so for your protection. There you go. And now we're gonna install the drywall. To install the drywall, I'm gonna have to cut that outlet on the drywall. So the way I'm gonna measure from the outside, the corner of the wall, I mean outside mean corner of the wall, to that outlet, and I do the same thing, measure from the corner to the for the drywall as well. So from here all the way to the end, to that edge, and from here to here, and also to the end. So I know almost is 2.5 inch different for the outlet, and also as I do from the ground to the bottom and top of the outlet, the same thing here. I measure over there, and also from the ground to the to see what's the height. So it's 30 and 32.5. So I'm gonna mark 30 and 32.5. So and from bottom to the top is 13 and 17. So I'm gonna make the hole that. There you go. I measure and draw the outlet. So I'm gonna make one hole in the middle. As you see, I'm gonna make the hole. I can see the behind that, and I will put the drywall in the place. I wanna make sure I see the outlet in the back. So we measure everything good. There you go. This is the outlet, you can see, and on the hole. So I'm sure I'm in the right spot. So now I'm gonna make the hole bigger, but I'm not going the size of I draw. I'm gonna go smaller, and then when I put it on the drywall in the place, I see the outlet exactly. I'm gonna make the hole bigger and bigger. So it doesn't need to be perfect cut. So because it's will cover with the plastic cover for the outlet, so don't worry about any bad cutting. Just you need to make sure you are in the right spot. So make sure when you put the screw, it sink in, you know, as you see when you touch it, so it's inside. So I'm going to show you how to use this Draywall extension drill bit. That's actually the drill bit holder, and the way you want to use it, as you see, this one is, you can slide it. So a lot of people, they don't know how to use that, and it was very handy. So I use that a lot, all the time. So that's my favorite. So when you want to put that, especially on the drywall, you have a screw, so you don't want to you miss the screw and your drill hit the drywall and make a hole in the drywall. So the way you put your drill, and you see that drill bit has a yellow stuff, so it means it has a magnet, so already it's gonna hold the drill. So when you put the drill, if you don't have that extension, is when you want to push it, sometimes the drill is getting wobbly and you miss the drill screw, and it's gonna make the hole in the drywall. I'm sure it's happened for everybody. So but this one, when you slide it in, you see I slide it and it's gonna hold the drill, but it doesn't matter what position you are. So you just gonna start drilling, and when you're drilling, when you hit that in the end, you slide it back and you're half in, you're good. So you're going all the way in and make you flash, you don't miss any screw. There you go, this is the result. So that's the outlet. You see the outlet is a little like a 1 inch back, is not even with the drywall. So I cut it, but you know, outlet is a little push back. So I have to change the two screws holding the outlet, and replace it with the longer screw. So I'm gonna put a little bigger screw and a long one, so you can extend the outlet and bring it a little out, so until it be even with the drywall. When you put the cover and tie the cover, so it's gonna be flash even and it's gonna be solid. So that's the way you extend your outlet out. There you go, I finished patching the drywall. I'm not gonna cover that in this video, it's gonna be too long, but just give you a little idea. I just patched all the hole. There is a sticky mesh, is this one, so I put that mesh all around the drywall. One side is sticky, you put that side on the wall and you just pull it and go around the drywall and cover the gap between the two drywall, and then you can patch it with the mud. You see on the ceiling too, I put all around. So you can see still see the mesh here. So I had a big gap, I have to cover it a little more with the mud in this side. I will show you in another video how I did it. It's gonna be too long for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like our video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you next time.